Travelers, Gen Z, Gen Alpha, your future customer, your employee, your competitor with travel desires. The future's here to change. We change, acclimatize for new generations. Digital communities seek personalized sustainability, authenticity, desire more than destinations, meaningful connections. For LCC to leave a lasting impact, it's time to create, innovate, lead, inspire change. Lufthansa City Centre embrace you to the enchanting shores of Malta. 3 days to expand your vision. Be inspired by like-minded travel ambassadors from across the globe. Build long-lasting friendships, partnerships from Argentina to cruises in the Greek Aegean Sea. Expand your dreams, envisage vast horizons from Seychelles, Germany to South Africa, mesmerizing sunsets over Rio de Janeiro to Armenia. Streamlining processes for corporate travelers, state-of-the-art industry-led technology, complex travel needs into efficient journeys, secured sustainability standards worldwide, client safety always prioritized. Supporting sustainable experiences, local-owned businesses, inspiring customers for farmers, freshly squeezed olive oil from Grandma's Olive Grove, 7,500 authentic locals from 110 countries, packages created for young travelers keen to bear witness. LCC is here to encourage innovative ideas, support communities to take ownership of tourism on their land. The travel industry, a fascinating, remarkable, rewarding industry to work in, connecting humans across the globe, creating unforgettable, surreal experiences. AI, an assistant co-pilot, could never replace human connection, speak over storytellers with life experience, make travel guests feel a warm welcome. AI streamlines options you've created, creates headspace for ideas to come into fruition. In our pockets, our personal assistant. LCC is mindful of communities impacted by geopolitical challenges and grief, steers options, creates headspace, holds space, respectful towards cultures, customers, and colleagues. In a fast-paced, stressful world, LCC reminds us to slow down, mindful moments to take a deep breath, exhale, embrace the ocean, stay present, connect with others beyond Zoom calls. LCC empowers, encourages mindfulness to both staff and travelers. Envisage your future, our future. Impact starts with every single one of us taking responsibility. Each person's impact acknowledged and appreciated. I act, the entire LCC network. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.